When a car comes in, regardless of its age or condition, it starts with a thorough wash. We do a decontamination right afterwards and then a clay. So that removes all the embedded contaminants on the surface and anything that would disrupt our polishing process. After that's performed, we pull it inside and do an inspection of the paint, and we determine what level of correction that we are going to be doing. Then the process begins. Paint correction is extremely labor intensive and has taken up to 25-30 hours on some specialty cars. Most cars, especially new ones coming in for a ceramic coating, don't need near that much. After the correction is performed, we do a clarifying wipe down to make sure that there's no oils or fillers on that surface and to ensure the bond of that ceramic coating that we're fixing to apply. We offer several different options for the actual paintwork for the car, anywhere from a 2 to a 9 year. With the additional years of life, you're also getting additional performance. With some cars requiring a little bit more removal of badges and trim work, after the coating is applied, we'll do a safe reinstall of all the decals and trim work and emblems. We'll do a final inspection and the car is ready for delivery.